What's going on, YouTube? Let me get in the light so you can see me. Now, alright. My name is DakotaJPayne, and today we're coming back with another D4X midweek update. Basically, going over the pairs that I pay attention to for the week and seeing how we can capitalize on them throughout the middle of the week, right? Review. First, find the setups on Monday, see how we're doing on Wednesday, and see how we can adjust. So, if you want to hop on these calls live, ask questions, or even ask for pairs for me to go over on the call, click the link in the description. Join the Discord channel so that you can gain access to these live calls. All right, but without further ado, go ahead, give the video a like, and enjoy the video. All right, let's go ahead and get into the weekly update or midweek update. Basically, let's go back. So basically, I had this markup. I was looking for a sell this morning on Euro USD. It moved down aggressively and didn't come back up to the zone like I wanted it to. So there was no opportunity for an entry. It's just moved impulsively up. So we're going to look for a new setup, delete everything, and remark this up. I don't think we didn't get an entry at all, or at least I didn't get an entry on Euro USD at all this week. I think the main thing that I actually entered off of, the main thing I entered off was your U chef this week, and I was waiting for the rest of the setups to just be, say, cleaner, especially UJ. All right, but I see this as an uptrend simply because, like, I already know on the daily time frame, we got two touches here. Prices moved aggressively off of this area. Price was previously reacting and ranging between these two areas, but it has just now recently broken out of that. So we're going to be looking to see how price reacts now that it's outside of that zone or outside of that range. On the lower time frame, we have this short-term uptrend right there. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, short-term uptrend right there. So we got that impulse coming up. We're waiting on a correction and going to be looking for this level right here for it to react off of and potentially push up one more time. And of course, if price breaks that trend line, we look for a correction and we sell. Okay, this is the daily point of view. Let's just jump down straight to the 4 hour. Already know what we're pretty much looking for, and now we just got to be patient for that to actually happen. So I won't go too far. We'll stick right here. Price to correct down to there, and then give me a correction or give me a JCP once it's in that area. Once price finishes up this impulse, I'll draw my Fibonacci's and we'll see how that what level that actually lines up with. But right now, just waiting on Euro USD. Next pair, UChef. You guys already know UChef could take profit. It actually gave us several times to enter. I personally entered only two times. Was able to capitalize off that small sell. Let's go ahead and remark everything up so we can get a new point of view. Boom. Boom. Okay. So on this time frame, on the monthly time frame, looks like we have a downtrend actually right there that we can draw. And it's gonna be clear on the weekly time frame, but since I saw it on the monthly, might as well draw it. Let's go to the weekly. Yep. So overall in a downtrend, so long term looking for sales, at least for now until that trend line's broken. And this bottom will, okay. There's nothing to really draw on the weekly time frame, so let's go down to the daily. Still in this whack little triangle. Okay, and the triangle is like that, actually. But I rather draw the uptrend here Like my personal chart, I would just keep the uptrend right there. And the reason for that is, okay, here I'm looking for buys, and I'm only looking for buys until price actually breaks that. I have been looking to sell this for a while. Like every time it's gotten up to this area, I've been looking to sell. Just doesn't want to push in the direction right now. But let's go ahead and look for a short-term move. Honestly, we're gonna have to draw that right here anyway. Here, it's very, very simple. Like if you're looking to, we could just wait for one of the trend lines to be broken, wait for a correction, wait for one of our setups to actually happen, and then execute on that. Or we can go down to lower time frames and look for a smaller opportunity. Obviously, going to be very, very short term. You're going to be looking to take profit pretty quickly. So since this is such a short term move, I won't be sending out the screenshots of this and won't be counting it towards the public chat, but I probably will. Yeah, I will take it. I mean, my setup's there, might as well. And I'm thinking about only risking half. Yeah, I'm only gonna risk 0.5% on this. Don't wanna over risk. Don't want to risk 1% on this because like I've made progression this week, or so much progression that I don't want to lose. All that progression have to make it up for it at the end of the week. This trend line get jacked up. Did. Okay, looking for a short little sell. Once I get that JCP in this area, I will be looking for that. That's fine. All right, let's go to the next pair. USDJPY. USDJPY. Let's do everything all over again. Okay. And this is actually the last pair that I'm personally looking at for the week. There were a few pairs that I traded last week and held over the weekend, which if you go in the Discord chat, you can see the updates on those. And I believe there were some that I also did not trade that should also be in the Discord chat that I marked up for you guys. And if you've never been on one of these calls before, what I would generally do, I will go over my markups for the week, give my general update on my personal, what I'm personally paying attention to. Then afterwards, I will stop the recording, and then we can talk. We'll talk about the pairs that you guys want to go over. I'll mark those up for you or give my outlook on it. All right, so here on UJ, every single time, I'm having deja vu. Yeah, been talking about this freaking descending channel for a minute. Yeah, and it still hasn't given me this rejection here that I want. So there's a potential ascending channel that could be forming here to actually give that rejection that I want to happen here, so it can form a proper descending channel. And with that, would be looking for a long after it finishes up coming back down here one more time, potentially. Okay, that's in an ideal perfect world. I would like that to happen. Let's go ahead and go to the 8 hour. And let's just box price in a little bit better here. So we can have like a some reference areas. trigger on this because the 4-hour will not show me that demand zone most likely. Yep, perfect. Okay, this is potential, right? But I'm not going to draw just yet. Still need more structure to form. Right now, this is what we have. And I would like for something like that to happen. Or the trend line break. If the trend line breaks, that would be perfect. I'd love that. And then I'll wait for the correction, not sell. Again, just being patient. I actually don't believe there's any setups right now that's gonna I can answer on right now. Yeah, I'm not looking for this to push up too much higher. At least for this particular setup, I don't see it pushing as high as that supply zone just yet. It could potentially show me something else and then do that, but right now I wouldn't be interested in this buy. I'll just wait for the next setup for that buy instead of taking the one that's already there. Let's actually go to 15 minutes, see if there's a lower time frame that we can take advantage of. I mean, nope, still waiting on this one as well. All right, guys. So those are 3 pairs I'm paying attention to for the week. Those are nice little updates on it. We hit take profit on UChef. EURUSD didn't get an entry. UJ didn't get an entry just yet. So being patient for all those. But so far, pretty good week so far. So yeah, guys. Are there any questions over the pairs that we talked about or anything at all before we end the recording? Okay, cool. Like I said before, guys, if you guys do want to hop on these live calls or even hop in the Discord channel and communicate, send your markups and see how other people are reacting or see other people's perspective on that particular pair, click the link in the description, join the Discord channel so that you can be added to the community. And appreciate you watching. Catch you guys later.